The podcast that we're going to do is not going to be for me specifically. I want this episode to be more useful for you, the person I'm interviewing. Let this be a tool for you to help grow your business. You know, it's going to always be content for me, as you know, Adam. It's going to fill that slot. It's going to be a week. It's going to be an episode number. It's going to, deliver hopefully a good infotainment, quality episode. But I really want it to be for the person. So lo and behold, they came back to me a year later and said, "Hey, we'd like you to do a seminar for our company." And
that's awesome.
Yeah, we like what you're doing. But I think it started with the fact that I was willing to put in to learn more about their business, so that we could make a more meaningful, production out of it.